Afternoon, everyone. My name is Ralph Wynn. I am on the sales side, so everything I tell you, you have to believe, because I'm a sales guy. So first of all, thanks for coming out. Basically, what I'm going to do is a couple slides. I'm not going to bore you on anything, and I'm going to give you a demo of how you can actually do Office 365 data protection in a matter of a few clicks. Now, I was actually talking to a friend of mine, and we were talking about this thing called FOMO. So hopefully you guys have heard of it. It's called fear of missing out. Well, I don't really think about that because I'm pretty connected. I'm a pretty hip guy. I've got all the gadgets. I mean, all the watches and stuff. So I don't fear missing out. But in the data protection realm, it's not really fear of FOMO. It's FOMD. I was like, well, it's really the fear of missing data. When I talk to customers, I'm talking to some of the largest enterprises in the world. They're actually looking at, hey, how do I, once I go to a SaaS application, how do I make sure that I've protected everything? So it's really FOMD. So get your phones out, hashtag FOMD, and give me some credit, because I just created my own acronym. But if this is you, this is what Veritas is all about. It's about how do we make sure from a SaaS perspective that we keep everything protected. Well, you may be thinking, why do I even, once I go to Office 365, do I even really need protection? And we partnered with Microsoft because we wanted to make sure we understood this, because we've been the leader in the data protection space, but we wanted to see how does SaaS really affect our customers. And what we found is that when you start looking at SaaS applications, there are some areas, there's some fear, there's some capabilities in here where your users can actually do some harm. I mean, when you give users capabilities, there's going to be some harm in there. And when we start looking at it is that, okay, what does the SaaS vendor provide for you from a protection perspective versus the customer? What does the customer think? And what we found is that data loss occurs with malicious users, the accidental deletion. That's the number one reason that I talk to customers. It's like, look, my users say, hey, we're deleting this, we know it's gone, they clear out the recycle bin, but then they come back 2 days later and be like, oh, shucks, I need to actually get that back. And if you're not protecting it, or if you didn't do it a certain way, inside of O365, you may be putting your data at risk. So if you're like me, how do I make sure I mitigate risk? Well, it's all about taking these particular issues, such as data corruption and ransomware, out of the equation, but still focusing on it from a SaaS perspective. So when you look at what native O365 protection gives you versus what our SaaS backup from Veritas gives you, you can see we thought about this really methodically. It's about, okay, well, how do we give you more retention? If you're an admin or you deal with data, you know retention is king. How do I have most recovery points? How do I have my restore points behind 30 days? We've got you covered there. How do I make sure I protect from the empty recycle bin, being able to go and get that data out? How do I get granular restore? I'm going to show all this to you in a matter of a few clicks, how with SaaS backup we can give you this sort of protection. And then last but not least, ease of search, find, and restore. Your data is only as good as you can quickly find it. And that's ultimately what it comes down to, is that when that user's on the phone saying, look, I've got the CIO's presentation, I accidentally deleted it or we changed it, please tell me you have a backup, you can come back and say, yeah, I got you. We're good. So all I want you to remember are three specific things around our Veritas and our SaaS backup around O365. It's all about ease of use. You can actually get started in a matter of a few seconds. I already have an account, but I'll show you how easy it is to get started as long as you're the O365 admin. If you may have to make a phone call if you're not. Once you've got that set up, you actually can access this anywhere. I'm actually on this particular machine right now. I just brought it up right before I came here. The restore aspect of data. My 5-year-old, pretty savvy. He actually did a restore. He didn't know what he was restoring, but he actually did the restore. And then with the restore options, I'll show you that you can actually make sure that what you're about to recover, you actually know it's the exact piece of data that the customer or the user needs. And then lastly, the cost savings. There's no hardware to install. You don't need to do this for all your users. You can have a subset of your users. It's really up to you about how do you want to protect your O365 environment. So with that, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do this. And like I said, I'm a sales guy, but I'm a tech sales guy. So I'm about to switch screens on you. Keep looking up there. Oh, actually, I didn't need to switch screens. So we're going to drop out of the presentation. I'm going to bring up my Microsoft Edge. And once you log in, you're going to be asked, what cloud service do you want to protect? So I already have O365 in there. and protected, so I'm going to close this out. Once you put in your credentials, you automatically start protecting data. But the data is actually, you have some control over what data you want to protect. So I'll configure the connector just so that you can see, here is all of the data that we're going to protect for your infrastructure. You'll see that we can get all the mail aspects of it, but we can also get into OneDrive, and we can also get into your SharePoint infrastructure. So it's really up to you as to the level of detail that you would use for data protection. And then at the very bottom, which you're seeing here, is how do you want to protect this data? Do you want to do it by a group? And if I go into groups, let me quickly load my groups here. You'll see that I have all my groups here, such as marketing, sales, and as long as this Wi-Fi brings it, there we go. Like I said, SaaS application doesn't always mean fast. Here are the groups that I have in my organization. I leave the marketing folks out because marketing, you know, that's all that fluff stuff. We deal on real hard facts here in the sales side. And you specify that's the group that you want. So that's a way that you can make sure that as you bring a user into a specific group, they automatically get the O365 protection for their data. But of course, if you don't like to do that, you can go under users and you can choose the users that you want to also protect. Now, at that point, I'm done. I'm going to start doing backups of this particular data, but let's say I want to do a restore. Well, now I need to do a user lookup because this particular user called me up and said, hey, I need to restore some of my data. Well, you say, okay, what are you restoring? Well, all right, Sarah, what am I restoring out of your infrastructure? Well, I actually need some Outlook data. It's going to be in my inbox. Well, all right, well, I've got tons of data to restore. Tell me what you want. Well, all right, I think it's some specific file. It was, we were doing some work. I think it came from the admin. Well, all right, well, I think this is it, but let me just click on it just to quickly view to make sure this is exactly what it is. At this point, you're not doing the restore, you're just doing a quick look at the actual mail message to make sure. The same thing happens with PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, files that are in there. We can actually give you a preview to make sure that you're actually doing, this is the file or the groups of files that the user wants. At this point, you have some options. You can either restore it directly to the machine that you're on, or you can send this user a link. And the nice thing about this is all about security. So if you say, hey, I want to send this user a link, but I want a password protected so that link is only good for X amount of days, you can do that here at the point of data retrieval. And then at this point, I'm pretty much done. I'll say I'll download this particular file. As you can see, your typical response windows pop up. And at this point, you can save it to wherever you want. Or if you wanted to do a mailbox restore, you can actually restore it back to the mailbox or to a restored folder inside of Outlook. That's it. I'm done at this point. I'm back to, what is the game of choice now? NBA 2K19, or I'm playing my Fortnite on my computer because I've just solved the world's problems of restoring my Outlook data, my Office 365 data for my user in about 3 clicks. That's it. Seems like it was too good to be true, right? I just dispelled the myth that you can actually do something with Microsoft in a matter of 3 clicks. No Microsoft folks here, right? All right, good. Well, that's all I have for you folks. If you want to stop by booth 410, we have tons of solutions from Veritas that help protect Office 365, your Azure data, your Azure Stack data, all within inside the Veritas portfolio. Thank you for the time. Appreciate it.